Hey everybody, John from Retired Rider. Hope you're having a great day. Well, we got the Valkyrie back. It was in the shop, gee whiz, I want to say 2-3 weeks maybe. Wasn't down there for anything serious. We had shock bushings replaced, timing belts checked, and just basically had it checked over. While I was down there, my mechanic Ken from Prototype Performance actually took it out for a day and rode it, and he said there was a few things he wanted to tweak on it. I think he did some adjustments on the brakes and things like that, and some tire pressure adjustments. So got that done, but she's back. Now we'll get some more footage from her when we're out on a ride. We won't be taking the Harley every time, most times, but we'll be taking the Valkyrie too. So I'll take you over here and show you guys shock bushings. Not that you're going to see much of it, but we'll show you what we did anyway. Guys, I apologize for the noise. We're in storage right now in the storage unit where the bikes are going to be for 3 weeks, and some of our stuff. We're going to have actually 2 storage units. If you watch any of my videos, you know that we sold our house. It sold pretty quick, and we did not find a house that we wanted, so we're going to lease a house for a year and then go from there, unfortunately. But anyway, this is what we had. Shock bushing here, and then of course down here. Now, the reason I didn't do this myself, because it's a very easy job, whereas I had nowhere to lift it at with my lift, my jack, my little jack. I mean, all there is under here is exhaust, and I definitely wasn't going to lift it by the exhaust. So I took it down to him because he's got the lifts and the jacks, center jacks, and all that he could use to lift the bike up. But that's basically what we did. I did have it ceramic coated and whole full detail done on it while it was down there. His son owns a shop that does that. You can see these were totally collapsed down here on the bottom, and I mean, this shock was just basically when you're going over bumps, the shock was just basically going. Let me get down here and see if I can get you a shot of this one. All right, dear. Those shocks were basically just bouncing around in there. So, don't say so. But anyway, yeah. And he took it out for a day, like I said, and he adjusted the air pressure in the tires, which I knew it needed air in the tires. And like I said, I think he did some adjustments on, I can't remember what he said. It was either the clutch, the brake, or something. He did some adjustments on that. But she's back, and we'll be getting her out more now. Well, when the weather gets good. It's been there for a while. It was in the 80s, and now it's back down in the 60s and 50s, and rain, and who knows what you're going to get. But this is what we'll be dealing with for about 3 weeks. We will be in the storage unit and doing our videos from here, so hopefully that doesn't hurt you guys. It's going to be noisy, some of these videos. But we'll make it happen. It's only going to be for 3 weeks, 4 weeks tops. Looks really good. He did a decent job on the cleanup on it. The windshield, I noticed, is really scratched. I don't remember it being that scratched. But I guess it was. I think we're going to have to replace the windshield because I can't stand all the scratches. I know it's not coming through on the camera, but it's got a lot of scratches in it. That we'll have to take care of because I can't stand it. Sorry about the noise, I really am. But all in all, it turned out pretty good. Like I said, timing belts, he said, look great. No cracks in the timing belts. He said the bike ran great. Everything's just, he said it's right there. He said it's one of the better Valkyries he's ever rode. So hopefully we won't have no issues out of it, and it'll just be one of our fun bikes we can take around locally and just have a good time. How many times I'll take it on a trip with me, I don't want to say, but I doubt it will be very many times. But we'll see. You know, sometimes I have a tendency to change my mind. But looks pretty good. So that's where we're at on the Valkyrie. It's home. That's a good thing. Well, it's in storage, so that's a good thing. God, that highway is just right. I mean, it's just right off the back of the storage unit. So again, I apologize for the noise. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on the Valkyrie. Yeah, it's not been sold to anybody. It's still here. It was just in the shop for, like I said, about 2 or 3 weeks. So I'm glad to have her back. We'll try to get her out on the ride this weekend. We're saying rain on Saturday, possibly rain on Sunday, and then they were saying no rain on Sunday. They keep switching it around, back and forth. So hopefully we can get her out on the ride this weekend. Wife has not been on it yet, so I'd like to get her on it for see how she likes the seat. Because I just about guarantee you we're going to be putting a new seat on this. Guarantee you. She says no, but when she's on it for a little while, she's going to change her mind. Trust me. When I'm on it for a little while, yeah, I feel it. So seat's got to be changed. Like I said, when she gets off of it, she'll say, "Bye, seat." So it's going to be a little hectic for like I was telling you earlier, it's going to be a little hectic for about 3 or 4 weeks. I got stuff moved into this storage unit. I got storage in Mason. I got new stuff in that Saturday. And then we got to go into an extended stay, hotel, motel, whatever, for about 3 weeks. And then we move into the house. So it's going to be a little hectic, but I'll try my best to keep putting out videos. Definitely will put up the shorts. Thank you guys for watching those shorts. Thank you guys for watching all my videos. So stick with us. It's going to be a little rough for the next, like I said, about a month. It's going to be a little rough. And then, of course, once we get moved into the house, I'm going to get things situated in the garage and things like that. So just bear with me. Anyway, that's an update on the Valkyrie. Did the bushings, checked the timing belts, checked it all over, did some adjustments up here. I'm not sure exactly what he did. He told me, but so much going on right now, it kind of just left my brain. I guess I can message him and ask him what he did. He said it's all good, it's all great, runs great, rides great. He had it out, like I said, for a day. So all should be good. We'll get it out this weekend, and I'll bring you guys along with me. We'll see how it does. See how it does with the bike. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Be safe out there, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.